Hi guys! Kain tayo ng pakwan. Watermelon. Oh. Ang dala ni Anne. Hi guys, hindi pa rin kami tapos. Hindi pa rin tapos pakulaan to. Kailangan kasi sobrang lutong-luto siya. Kasi ano yan guys, kasi mag-winter na. Walang masyadong kamatis or kung meron na sobrang mahal. Kaya ang ginagawa namin, hati-hati sila dito pero unang batch to. Tapos text naman si kapatid ni Murat na isa pa. Ginagawa namin, nilalagay namin siya sa garapon and then parang siya pang tawag, fermented. Basta ganun. Hindi siya nabubo, hindi siya nangangamoy kasi nga okay siya guys. Ay, halo-halo. Nakakatakot siya guys ha. Anong oras na ba basta ay ganyan. Inaayos ko yung mga garapon kasi guys, hindi pa po kami tapos dun sa ginagawa naming menemen or melemen. I don't know kung anong tawag dun. Pero pang third batch na to, kahapon ginawa namin yung pang second batch. Yung unang batch, ang nagawa namin dun ay 15 jars, tapos kahapon 16 jars, tapos nung unang araw na ginawa namin, mayroong isang sumingaw, hindi na yun counted. Tapos yung gagahapon na ginawa namin, nakita namin kanina may dalawang sumigaw at hindi na ulit yung counted. Kaya ayun, gumagawa ulit kami ngayon kasi hanggang meron kaming mga garapon, gagawa kami. At eto na nga po yung ating pinapakulong Ang dami yan. Si Murat na lang maghalo, kakatakot. Si Murat nagluluto ng borek. Sarap ng sibuyas. Punta ako sa labas. Hindi sama si Murat kasi nagluluto. Balasahin niyo ulit ka. Dam na Jack, kuturit yung birasora. Keep sa yuksata. Ngayon, dahil kailangan ng mga garapon. Ang daming treat. Andun pa yun iba guys. Sa kulay red. Tapos kahit maliliit din na lang nila ba kasi kailanganin syempre. Ayan. Wait lang. At tapos na. Andun na yung aming mga ginawa. Napapakulo ako ng milk para sa yogurt namin. Merienda lang ang bata. Kanya yung iron, tapos akin yung mocha chocolate. Basta ganyan. Tapos ito naman. Pinapakain ko si Damla ng soap. Kauwi niya lang galing sa labas. Tapos, ang batang ito, tingnan nyo na naman yung kanyang paa. Damla, show your feet. Let me see your feet. Where is it? Ayan naman siya. Nagsisimula na naman mamaga yung kanyang, yung pinagkagatan sa kanya ng kahit lamok lang guys, yung mga insekto din man nangangagat, yung mga lumilipad na maliliit, ganyan. So nakagat siya kagabi, kahapon ng hapon. Abayan, namagana siya. Normal lang 'di ba yung pag kinagat ka minsan merong pula na uumbok, yung parang namamaga siya. Pero kasi yung kay Damla, sa kasi na tuwing kakagatin siya kahit lamok lang guys. As in yung pinagkagatan, 'di ba yung nakaraan, yung nakagat siya dito guys, dito. Sa ganyan. Buong ganito niya talaga guys yung namaga, hindi lang yung pinagkagatan. Namaga talaga siya as in bukol yung buong kamay niya, yung basta ganyan. Hindi niya mga ganito kasi nga namamaga. Hindi mo din makikita yung kanyang buto. As in talagang lumubo siya. Ganyan yung nangyayari kay Damla pag nakakagat siya ng mga insekto. Kahit ng lamok guys. Nung nagbabakasyon kami sa Akbo. Kasi malamok doon. Yung lahat ng pinagkagatan sa kanya as in namamaga talaga. Hindi siya yung normal yung namamaga siya yung may konting bukol na, di ba nga, ginagawa natin, pinipisil natin yun, talagang ginaganto natin. Hanggang doon lang yun. Pero sa kanya as in talagang bumubukol buong, pag kinagat siya sa halimbawa sa ganito, bumubukol yung buong ganito niya guys. Tapos hindi siya kaagad-agad nawawala. Ilang araw yan bago mawala, ganyan. Tapos sobrang makati siya, sobrang masakit daw siya, ganyan. Lutuin natin tong chicken na to. Hindi na namin siya napalambot kasi hindi kayo makapag-decide kung ano yung kakainin namin. Kung macaroni ba o ano. Eh, bigla ako sobrang gutom na gutom. So, mayroon daw siyang ipapakita sa inyo na ginawa niya. Show it to them. What's that?
Hello.
Hello.
I have a hair.
Where's your hair?
There it is.
Yes. Nag-drawing siya. It's look like a fish daw na.
No, I'm not a fish.
It's not a fish.
Yeah, I know. I'm a
What
human.
are you then?
I'm a human.
Human?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a girl. I'm a girl human.
A girl woman.
Okay?
A girl is a woman.
Yeah.
Nalito ako ng dam na.
You know that, no?
Where's the...
Wait, I'm gonna go.
Dam na, wait, dam na.
Hello. My name is Sexy Cyanide.
Sexy Sarena.
I'm sexy.
Yeah, sexy Sarena.
Yeah. I'm super sexy every day.
Sexy
You know
everyday.
it? Everyone's not know I'm sexy though. But I'm sexy, okay? Actually, I'm mosquito in my sneaker. Smiko? Smiko? Smiko is in my okay, it's me. It's Smiko. Smiko. Mosquito. I'm not a friend though.
Hi guys. Hey guys, I'm hungry. And also, I'm done feeding Damla. And now, diba? Naubos yung soup. Ilang dalawa lang yung pinakain ko. Naubusan na ako. At saka, gumawa lang talaga ako ng soup. For them lang talaga. And now, pinapakulo na pala ni Mura tong meat. So, ang gagawin ko, dahil nagugutom ako guys, meron namang bread. I'm gonna slice this and ang ipapalaman ko sa kanya guys ay wait lang. Butter and then jam to. Black mulberry jam. So ito, with the butter. Ang sarap niyan mga guys. So yung ating cellphone ay nag-i-stop po talaga. Kaya tiyatamad din ako video niya kasi ang hirap nito siya, hindi ko alam kung bakit ganyan nag-stop yung camera. Tuloy-tuloy naman yung pagsasalita ko sa camera, pero yung picture lang siya, naka-steady lang siya. Ayun, nakakatamad siya. Ngayon, we need plate and also knife to cut the bread. Sira na yung tripod ko. Ay, ito pala ko. Ayan. Tatlong tama na yan. Ang plano ko kasi talaga, magluluto ako ng rice. Tapos magtoton balag ako. Tapos, lalagyan ko ng soy sauce. Matagal siya guys. Nagugutom na ako. Kaya ito na lang yung gagawin ko. Kailangan natin to. So, ito na yung aking sinasabi. Ang sarap niyan guys. Try nyo na lang. Lutuin natin ito maya-maya. Pudding. Banana flavor yung kinuha ko kasi ito yung favorite ko. Kasi, trinay namin yung chocolate. Sila na hindi naman kumain. So, banana flavor na lang yung aming binili. Tapos, ngayon, sabi ni Murat, bigyan ko daw si Damna ng ujuk. Ang binili namin kapon sa Ayos Beer. Mura lang din kasi siya.
I'm helping mommy to this. Wait, but my mom it's exhibit now to this. It's now like this. Take that. No, thanks.
Now I'm peeling the grapes. I'm removing the skin because Damla doesn't want this. So 1 week na lang pasukan na sina Damla. Right, Damla?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Excited to what?
For this.
I thought you would know what I'm talking about. That's why I'm asking you if you're excited.
Yeah.
I'm talking about your school.
I'm excited for this and excited for school.
You're excited?
Yeah. But I'm helping.
While I'm cutting this, you have to eat your grapes. Understood?
Do you want some? Yeah. You just eat it. It's
Careful,
almost.
huh?
It's almost fell. Look, it's actually not fell. In my.
I just
This. What?
nothing.
I don't want this. This is not dirty. Wait, look.
It's not dirty, Damla.
It's dirty.
It didn't went on the floor,
Hmm?
so it's still clean. You can eat that.
No.
Why? Damla, don't do that.
You're doing it.
When you're cutting this, Damla, you have to make sure that your fingers are away, okay?
Hmm? Okay.
So you won't
No.
cut your...
Okay. What am I going like that? Or this? Or this? What? Oh, this? No, not this. Like this, okay, guys? Not this, okay? Not this. Okay.
Finish. Done.
Okay.
This one, before you cut this, you have to put color, huh?
Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay.
If you finish your grapes, I have a surprise for you. Yes, we bought it yesterday when we went to the market. We decided not to give it to you because I saw you yesterday eating cake.
But where's the?
You
But-
cannot.
But where's the?
We hide it.
I want that whole.
No, you have to finish that first. Who is this? Say, do you know her?
Do you know?
What is her name? Do you know her?
Jimmy.
Yes.
Do you remember Jimmy? Because your eye peepings. Right? My mom is talking like peepings like this. Come on,
Goodbye to Lucille.
What?
What?
Chicken.
Oh. What are you doing, Damna? You are putting glue on it.
Not in my hand. You want to in my hand.
Put it properly, nicely. Yes. And if you are done, you
But
can...
look. Do you want it now? Of this? You want to do it right? But it's actually hard to do.
Yes, it's hard to do.
Yeah.
It's very difficult.
Yeah.
I think it's enough, Damla.
It's so slow.
It's very sticky.
Yeah.
Put it down.
Please, I can.
Yes, what's the color of the boots?
Pink.
Pink. Put it nice.
Oh,
Wow.
look, guys. Indeed.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Now put the gloves. Where's the gloves?
I know this is yes.
Left. Where's your left? That's not left. Yes. Who do you think is coming? No, it's Daddy. It's Daddy? Yes. So, ayun po, dumating nga po sila Abla para i-drop tong mga to, kamatis and then this, ano ba tawag dito? Basta ayan, para gawing menemen, I don't know, basta ganyan. Ito na yung last na gagawin namin kasi para may kulangot ako. Ayan, kasi wala na po kaming jar. Ilang piraso na lang yun, gusto naming ubusin siya. Kasi bumili din kami kahapon ng takip ng garapon. 20 pieces pa yung meron kami. Ayan pa yung mga, ayan. Tapos, andito na yung mga finished products namin. Hanggang doon yung sa pinakailalim. So, di ba yan. Paghahati-hatian namin yung tatlo.
Now,
Ayun,
do you want to see?
Yeah, I want to see. Let me see. Wow, it's so beautiful. It's so nice. I like it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look. Do you want it now?
They want it.
Yeah, it's kinda so hard to do.
It was hard to do.
Yeah,
It was hard to make.
but I can do it for you.
Yes. You're gonna do it for them. Okay, guys. So, that's it. Lulutuan ko lang si Damla siguro ng ano na. Okay, later.
But what do you want? The Sonic one or the Amy one?
They also want Aihoshino. Aihoshino, right?
Yeah, that's how.
Aihoshino.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's actually took very hard of this.
She speaks so. Her language is different from us.
Yeah, I took others. This is not.
Because she is Japanese, I think.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because it say you look like mommy like this. Japan, oh my god, Japan.
Japan.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it, Damla. I like it.
Yeah.
It's almost finished, right? But the hair.
And
What else?
this.
Yeah. The bow.
But I can do this not the boy.
This is a bow.
Boy.
The one that you're putting on your hair.
But
Okay.
do you want touch this because the
Wow, okay, done. Hi guys, good evening. So, ayun. Binigyan kami ni Abla. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag dito. Pero ang amoy niya, ang sarap. Kakain lang kasi namin, kaya ayaw kong kumain ngayon. Si Dam lang ngayon, umiiyak siya kanina kasi napansin niya na wala si daddy niya kasi ngayon daddy niya pumunta sa meeting. And si Damla, umiyak siya, sabi niya, saan pumunta si daddy? Sabi ko, niloko ko siya, sabi ko pumunta ng Akbuk. Ayun, kasi ayaw niya papuntahin yung tatay niya sa Akbuk kasi nga, alam niya na magtatagal na naman yung tatay niya doon. Tapos hindi niya makakasama doon. 9:30 na ng gabi, wala pa Marat hindi pa tapos yung kanilang meeting. Isipin niyo kung anong meeting yung sinasabi ko. Meeting yung dito sa amin sa sita namin kasi nga dito madalas tumataas yung IDAT. Ano ba yung IDAT? Basta monthly na monthly na binabayaran nyo sa paglilinis, yung sa electric, yung sa tubig, and yung mga nasisira dito sa site, and then kailangang ayusin, so kailangan magbayad. Ganun yung mga item na sinasabi namin. Tapos nakain ko yung isa guys. Oh. Sobrang sarap nyo guys. Ang galing magluto talaga ni Abla. Hindi siya mapaluto, pero pag nagluto, hindi siya yung tawag doon, luto na luto. Pero pag nagluto siya, sarap. So that's it. That's it. May idadaldal ako kanina, pero nakalimutan ko siya. Ulyanin ako. Bukas na lang ng umaga, ayusin yung yung tawag ng kusina. Yan lang naman eh.